Why do tornadoes only happen commonly in America? The answer reveals a unique mix of geography and whether that creates the perfect tornado factory you won't find anywhere else. America's Tornado Alley is famous for a reason. This flat expanse lacks mountain barriers, allowing cold, dry air from Canada to meet warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. This collision sets the stage for violent thunderstorms that can spawn tornadoes. Few other places on Earth have this unique geography combined with such powerful air masses meeting regularly. Tornadoes need strong wind, shear, and instability. When cold air from the Rockies or Canada slides over warm Gulf air, it causes the air to spin and rise rapidly. This spinning column, called a mesocyclone, can tighten into a tornado. Other regions in the world rarely have such consistent and intense air clashes, which is why tornadoes are less common there. In most parts of the world, mountains and bodies of water break up the flow of air masses. For example, Europe has mountains that block cold air from meeting warm air smoothly. Coastal areas often lack the dry, cold air needed. This means fewer storms develop into tornadoes, making the U.S. uniquely suited for these violent weather events. So tornadoes happen so often in America because of a perfect storm of geography and weather. The vast flatlands meet clashing air masses regularly, creating ideal conditions. Now you know why Tornado Alley lives up to its name. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.